Example 2, solving quadratic equation by completing the square. For example, we have y squared minus 8y minus 51 equals 0. This is not factorable. That is why this could not be solved using factoring. That is why we need the concept of completing the square. So in completing the square, first make sure that the numerical coefficient of the quadratic term is 1. Okay, so we have here y squared minus 8y. By addition property of equality, the negative 51 should be written on the right side and it will become positive. Then plus the blank plus the blank. Now the middle term is negative 8y. The numerical coefficient is negative 8. Always divide that by 2 and the result is negative 4. We have to get the square of negative 4 and that is positive 16. Again, negative 8y is the middle term. We get its numerical coefficient, which is negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4. That negative 4 should be squared and the result is positive 16. 16 should be supplied to those blanks. Now, this trinomial is a perfect square trinomial, meaning it is now factorable. So we have here y and y, two numbers that when we multiply the result is 16, a perfect square. 16 is a perfect square. We can have 4 times 4, that is 16. 4 plus 4, that is 8, because this is the product and this is the sum. I'll repeat, 4 times 4, 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then, we have to indicate the minus. Why? How did we know? Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Negative 4 plus negative 4 is negative 8. Then we have 51 plus 16. That is 67. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. We have 67. Then, we have y minus 4. The quantity y minus 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 67. Extracting the square root of both sides of the equation, we have now y minus 4 is equal to positive or negative square root of 67. 67 is not a perfect square, so we could not extract its square root. We can using calculator, but we will be dealing with decimal and the tendency is we are going to round off. So that is why we maintain the radical square root of 67. Then we have y equals, by addition property of equality, the negative 4 on the left side will become positive 4 on the right side, plus or minus the square root of 67. Then we have the y sub 1, which is 4 plus square root of 67, or the y sub 2, we have 4 minus the square root of 67.